Hey, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. Well, I think we're about 21 and a half hours left of this 48-hour group build, and I'm grabbing life by the horns. So, as you can see, we have the body painted, we have the decal set, and all that's really left to do is to clear coat and finish putting the stuff on the body. Well, not really. I still have other stuff to do. I'm going to paint under hood black and everything, so I've still got stuff I have to do there, but it's not too bad. I mean, normally I would have wet sanded the body before I put the decals on. It's not bad. I'm hoping the clear coat smooths it all out, but it's not bad. I think it's looking pretty sweet. Decals went on pretty darn good. No issues. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. So, we got a rolling chassis with firepower. So like I said, box stock, just paint detail, and that's it. Obviously you can see I painted the valve covers, the fluted fins, the finned valve covers, they're red. And then I removed the paint off the high spots. I don't think she's looking too bad, guys. I don't think she's looking too bad. Let's take a look underneath. I don't dig the molded in exhaust. I think with a little bit more time, I would have probably taken that right out of the center. I would have cut that whole center out, and I would have dissected that transmission tunnel, and I would have spliced that back in, used some flat stock styrene, made some new floorboards and that, and gotten rid of that, ground out what I needed to grind out, and replace the rest. But I don't think it looks too bad. Obviously I got to put that wonky filler piece between the header and the exhaust here, and that'll be tomorrow, obviously. But yeah, it's not looking too bad. Not looking too bad at all. Spot's pretty impressed. He's in awe. He's been watching me all day toil on this thing, and every once in a while he'll whine and whimper, and I know I'm going in the wrong direction, and then all of a sudden he gets wagging his tail and he approves. But anyway, guys, I hope you all are getting along well on your builds and stuff. I'm trying to monitor videos every so often. I've been pretty busy. Every once in a while I'll take a break and I'll watch some videos and everything, and I'm bouncing back and forth between YouTube and Facebook and seeing what everybody's posting on the Facebook page and all kinds of stuff. So I think I will meet the deadline tomorrow at 8 p.m. I'm going to rise and shine early, and I'm going to get some clear coat on this and start finishing. Interior is not going to be a big deal. I'm leaving the interior as is. I painted the bucket seats flat black, sprayed them earlier today. I'm going to detail the dash, but the dash will be black. The interior is going to be black. I painted the roll cage yellow, so that should look pretty good. But all else is about done. I'm seeing empty sprues over there in the box. So, alright guys and gals, that's all I got for this update. Thanks for watching.